Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to create a hamburger menu on your Wix site. While these are standard on mobile, adding one to your desktop site is a great way to achieve a clean, minimalist look. These steps relate perfectly to each other to help you build a menu that's both stylish and functional. First, you need to add the hamburger icon to your page. Go to your editor and click the Add Elements icon on the left. Select Menu and Anchor, and then click on Hamburger Menus. You'll see a variety of pre-designed icons. Just click and drag your favorite one directly onto your site's header. This automatically creates the button and the hidden container that will hold your page links. Next, we need to set up the look of your menu button. Click on the icon you just added and hit the Settings icon. Under Choose What Displays, you can decide if your visitors see an icon only, text only, like the word menu, or both. If you choose to use an icon, make sure to fill out the Accessible Name field. This is a vital step for 2026 web standards because it allows screen readers to tell visually impaired visitors that the button is a menu, even though the text isn't visible on the live site. The next connected step is managing your menu items. To see what's inside the menu, click the button and select Edit Menu. This opens up the menu container. From here, you can click Manage Menu to add new links, reorder your pages, or hide specific items that you don't want to show up in this navigation style. If you have advanced menus enabled, you get even more granular control over how these items are displayed and nested. The final step is configuring the container behavior. While the container is open in your editor, click on the background area and select Settings. Here you can toggle the Tap Outside to Close option, which is a huge boost for user experience because it lets visitors get back to your content easily. You can also enable a background overlay, which dims the rest of your website when the menu is open, making your navigation links the absolute star of the show. That is literally it. If this guide helped you declutter your site with a sleek hamburger menu, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to add social media icons inside your menu container next, and I will see you in the next video.